Today I'm going to be unboxing a whole lot of Toy Story 5 blind boxes in the quest to try and find as many Lilypads as possible. Now I know she's meant to be a villain, but I still love her. And every single one of these boxes here has a chance of getting Lilypad, so I'm hoping to get as many as possible today. Place your guesses in the comments of how many I'm gonna get. I did decide to guarantee myself one in case the worst happens and I get no Lilypads. At least I have this Funko Pop to look forward to at the end. But for now, I'm gonna start with these two blind bags. I got these at Comic-Con from a store called Dream Collectibles. Now on the packet it says these are collectible bag clips, and because I got them in person at Comic-Con, I was able to feel the bags. And there were lots of different shapes, so I picked the two flattest ones I could find in the hopes that one of these will be this Lilypad. I love how she's poking over the edge there, so cute. Collect them all? No, I just want to collect you. And the first blind box of the day! That looks like a Lilypad! One Lilypad secured! Oh my goodness, she is so cute! Oh, this is the best thing ever. It's made out of a plastic, but it's kind of a soft plastic. Like, it's pretty flexible. Look at her adorable eyes and smile. I just love her froggy hands. She's got blue waves on the screen. The pond is on the screen and on the back. Oh, the details on the back. We can see her Lilypad-shaped stand and a little camera here. Now, I just realized that I did pick two that kind of felt exactly the same. So look, there is a chance that this could be a second Lilypad, and I wouldn't say no to that. In terms of the other designs, there are lots of other cute ones. I wouldn't mind getting the exclusive A, Forky, and Karen Bride, but honestly, more than all of them, I'd probably prefer a second Lilypad, because then I could take one on my bag and hang one on my wall. And the blind bag number 2 is another Lilypad. Well, if we keep going with this kind of luck, maybe we'll get Lilypads in every box. And next I'm going to open up this one on the end here. So I originally saw this on the Kmart website and it was just listed as a pack of 4 figures. It had these two and then it also had Lilypad and Slinky. So I don't know if Lilypad and Slinky are guaranteed as part of this Bonnie's Room set, or if it's actually random and I could get just 2 random toys. Oh, that's really cute because the background is actually Bonnie's room. Sorry, Bonnie's room. Alright, first figure is Buzz Lightyear. He's looking really cute. This is a very chibi looking Buzz. He's standing in a very powerful looking position. Then we've got this hedgehog who is singing. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. He's got his eyes closed. He's singing some opera. I love his little hat and overalls. I forget this guy's name, but I do love him. And now it's time for our mystery! Do you see that? Do you see those eyes? So it comes in a little paper bag. And it's kind of a see-through paper bag. And we can see that my gorgeous girl, Lilypad, is in there. She is so happy and her eyes are so big. This one has the eyes, mouth, and screen printed on. The rest are part of the actual figure. On the back, she has lots of detail. She's got little speakers, her handle, and then her actual Lilypad stand is out so that she can sit like this. 3 Lilypads already. Now, I think this 4th one, if the website was correct, is Slinky. I do love a Slinky dog. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute Slinky too. I love how he's sat in like a dog sitting position. I know he is a dog, but like, look, he's Slinky, it's all compressed. He's like an accordion. Oh, I love how you can see the little wheels on his feet. That's such a cute detail. That was a good buy. We are doing so well for Lilypad so far, but now comes the hard part. So the rest of these boxes, chances of getting Lilypad probably aren't as high. If we start with this one, for example, the chance of getting Lilypad is only 1 in 24, and I've only got 3 boxes here. This is a Funko Mystery Mini. Now, I got these boxes from JB Hi-Fi. I was trying to pick boxes more on the lighter side because I think she's one of the lighter designs. Now I'm second guessing myself. First of all, we're taking the plastic off. I'm going to open it up from the bottom. I don't know if they come in a bag or with a card. No card in there. Okay, black bag. This feels very 3D. Not very many flat Lilypad vibes going on here. I think it might be woody based on what I can feel. And yes, oh my gosh, it's so much bigger than I thought. Oh, now I really want the Lilypad. Woody is looking pretty cute. As far as Woody goes, this is one of the cutest Woodies I've ever seen. I love his eyes, his expression, his sheriff's cape. Look at the way the material folds and all the tiny details they've got on there. They've even put all the stripes on his shirt and the details on his badge. Oh my gosh, look at these things on his shoe. I can't remember what they're called, the little razor things. So detailed. You can sit next to Slinky. Wow, that's like a really good size of a man and a dog. Okay, 2 of these. Oops. Oh, I'm sorry, my loves. We've got my Lilypad army assembling over here. Will we have another Lilypad to join them? Okay, this is Funko Mystery Minis box number 2. Another design that isn't feeling flat. Oh, this feels like Buzz. And it's Buzz. Look, that is quite cute to have a matching Woody and Buzz, I must say. He's got the cute expression. Once again, the details on his spacesuit, like all the little buttons are actually 3D. So many tiny cutouts have been put into the plastic of this. It looks amazing. That is our second Buzz for the video. And now we only have one more chance left to get the Lilypad from this series. Come on, Lilypad. Oh, that's definitely not Lilypad. Oh no. It feels like Buzz again. Please don't be a double. No! Oh, that's so annoying. The Buzz army is gonna beat out the Lilypad army at this rate. The good thing is, in this next blind box, Buzz isn't even an option. So this blind box only has 6 options. We got Jessie, Bullseye, Atlas, Lilypad, Smarty Pants, and Snappy. And honestly, they're all really cute. I wouldn't mind getting a Snappy as my second one if I got the Lilypad. Now, if you didn't already notice, these are mini Funko figures in snow globes, which is absolutely adorable. I really hope I can get a Lilypad snow globe. How does it look? Oh, we've got foam in here to protect the snow globe. No card or anything. Okay, I guess we just open it up. Not Lilypad. It is Atlas, who I'm not sure exactly what kind of toy she is. She's like a chompy kind of thing. She does look very nice with the base blue, and oh my gosh, snow globes are so much fun. She's actually sparkly. I wonder if the Lilypad is sparkly too. Can we please find out? Funko snow globe number 2. Okay, please. No! I know I said I was happy as Snappy as the second one, but that was after I was meant to get Lilypad as the first one. Oh. It's okay, you are very cute. I do really like this one. It was my second choice. She's gonna get some great photos in here. Oh my gosh, on the bag! I just nearly lost my glasses in excitement. You can see that she's actually taking a photo of Jessie. That's so cute they included that detail. She is also sparkly, so the Lilypad one probably would also be. I might have to go back and get some more of both of those kind of boxes. Now we are up to the last 4 boxes. The buzzers have already left. They have admitted defeat. Now these are from PopMart. I walked into PopMart one day and I was like, when I saw the little Lilypad figure, and we have 4 tries to get her today. If we have a look at the other designs, there are some other really cute designs. Obviously, Lilypad is number 1, but I also really love Karen and Forky's wedding. That looks so cute, as well as the double AA team and Sweet Bullseye. Okay, first PopMart. We've got some PopMart packaging. We've got the bag, and there is a card in there. I don't want to look at the card yet. We can feel a chest, but they all come in a chest, so nothing surprising there. I don't know if the chests have any differences on the outside. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the outside. No idea what's happening on the inside. It's got a little try me arrow. So I press this and a little scene is gonna pop out. Ready, steady, go. No! No! I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit worried. He looks like he's ready to fight. Wait, is that a giant marshmallow? Maybe he's just gonna offer the Lilypad snacks and they'll all be friends. You know, I hope that's the end of Toy Story 5, that they realize there's a place for everybody and they all become friends. It's also got a big illustration of 2 buzzers in the background. Do they count as 1 each? No, I'm just counting the whole design as 1. My buzz army is big enough. Wow, we get out the card and there's actually also stickers. Oh my gosh, do they all come with stickers? This is the card which says HTE Buzz to the rescue. I don't know what HTE is. I must say, those aliens are adorable. Does that mean there would be frog stickers in the frog one? Wait, this one has stickers too, but they seem to be the exact same stickers. Aww. Wait, that could mean it's the exact same figure. Looks exactly the same on the outside. Hopefully that's because they are all the same on the outside if this is another Buzz. Oh! It's Forky and Karen! This is so cute! They are getting married. Forky looks so cute in his bow tie and top hat. Karen is wearing a beautiful dress and flowers on her veil. I love that we've got this little pergola in the background covered in roses. So cute for their big day. And then if you look on here, you can see rose petals down here. They're actually standing on a path. I didn't notice that on the Buzz one. Oh, on the Buzz one, there's grass, there's dirt and rocks. That is cool. Oh my goodness, I am nervous. Please be Lilypad. Okay, please be Lilypad. 3, 2, 1. Please be Lilypad. That's not Lilypad. It's our friend Woody. Oh, that's cute. He has a whole lot of drawings on the ground. He's got the unicorn, the triceratops, some peas in a pod. He's got a little heart flower here. He's very cute. You're just not Lilypad. Oh, he has Bonnie written on his boots. Such a cute detail. The background looks like one of Bonnie's shelves. And that brings us to our last actual blind box of the day. We do still have this glorious Lilypad to open, but hopefully this is a Lilypad too. Please, 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 please. Please use whatever frog powers you have to make this Lilypad. Okay. That's not Lilypad either. Okay, but it is really cute, especially this little pink horse he has beside him. How adorable is that? He also has an iconic Pixar lamp behind him. It looks like he sat on the desk of Bonnie's room, and look at all these horses in the background. I'm in a very horse era at the moment. I've been watching My Little Pony Friendship is Magic, and so I strongly approve of this design. This is probably my favorite one. Might have been more of a favorite if it was Lilypad, but at least we did get these 3 Lilypads. And what have we got here? We've got 4 Buzzes against 4 Lilypads. I guess it's a tie. You know what that means. I should make another unboxing video. I should go get some more blind boxes and see who the true winner is. Let's get this Lilypad out in the meantime. She looks so cute on the box. I love how she's poking over the edge here. Oh, she's so glorious. She's so flat. I really love how flat Lilypads are. She just feels so nice. Oh, this feels like it's like a little game console. I wish this was an actual screen and I could play a game on here. It's got super big eyes, a very happy smile, so many details. We can see little speakers. Her froggy hands and feet are 3D. She can also stand on her Lilypad stand. She's got 2 cameras, speakers, this handle. Now that is quite a beautiful Lilypad army. Would have liked a few more, but next time hopefully we can add to my Lilypad army. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you again very soon. Bye!